to drop it. That was a good cookie. I'm Ray's car Richie. We're gonna take apart my motor. I lied, we're taking out the motor. The bottom end of the block. I got the head off. Now I'm gonna finish it up. I messed up. So this is how the motor sits. So now it's time to get the rest of the motor apart. So just as a reminder, this is the bearing that failed. Okay, first things first, we got to remove the flex plate. All right, so we just got all 8 bolts out, which connect the flex plate to the torque converter. So now we can start taking some of this stuff apart. All right, so I got the torque converter bolts off. I'm just gonna start taking some stuff off. Gotta take the alternator, gotta take this coolant pipe off, this mount, that mount, the starter.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab?
Hello?
Slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Almost done. Got the motor to bell housing unbolted. I just have one bolt that's kind of loosely in there, just holding it together. I got to remove this motor mount, and I have to figure out some way to not drop the motor. I fit in my engine bay. Well, I tried dropping the motor. Got to take the water pump off.
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it.
So basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to make as much room on this side of the motor so I can slide it over and drop it down without taking the transmission out. So I had to take the water pump off. I got to take off the engine mount, timing belt tensioner, as well as some of the pulleys and stuff. But this is more than enough room. Once it's dropped down enough, I might have to take this pulley off too, but we'll find out. This is the crank pulley. All right, so now I'm taking off the engine mount.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
I forgot to take out 2 bolts. Thought I got 8. I got 6. That's why I failed the 2nd grade. I got it. Did not fall on the head. Oh boy. Didn't mean to drop it, but it happened, and everything's okay. So it did land on the corner over here, which is very thick casting, and it's cast iron, and it didn't fall from 100 feet up in the air, so a couple inches ain't too bad. Once I get everything apart, cleaned out, I'll be able to evaluate it even better. Well, it's out, boys. Thanks for watching. Definitely f***ing heavy.
Oh, gee. Well, at least it's not an 8-cylinder.
Oh my god. That's a cast iron block. Well, got it out of the car, dropped it, freaked out a little bit, realized it was okay, shimmied it into the back of my van, delivered it to my home, put it on the engine stand, put a garbage bag over it, brought it into my apartment, and this is where we sit. I gotta take this apart now. I'm not doing it today, I'm done. So, next video is tear down. Then, machine shop, then rebuild, then put it in the car, start it, dyno, track, blow it up, do it again. I'm Race Car Richie. I messed up. And bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until